Hello students, today we are going to talk about a very important topic of your NEET examination, that is isomerism in organic compounds. Now you students generally face a very difficult problems while giving the examination, that whenever you get interact with an organic compound with having a chiral center, the problem is that how to determine that which one is enantiomer, which one is diastereomer and which one is homomer. So koi tension nahi. Today after this video I can assure one thing: if you watch till the end, next time whenever you encounter a problem of enantiomer, diastereomer, homomer or whatever, you will easily able to solve it. Okay, but usse pehle just dekh lete hain कि first if you have a flying wedge projection formula, then you will convert into the Fisher projection formula, and from there you have to first determine that how many number of isomers are possible. Dekh lete hain yahan pe. Okay, so first if I talk about this thing, if I convert this one into the Fisher projection formula, तो ये ऐसे होगा. तो इसके लिए I have already made a reel, okay, and in this channel there is a video also. All of you just go ahead and check that video in your section. Now see, so what we will do, the COOH at the top and the CH2OH at the bottom, and the CH2OH at the bottom, right? And the whatever it's a solid line, we will put in the right hand side logically. So H, here will be H, and here beta will be my OH. Okay, and whatever in the dash line हम put करेंगे यहाँ पे AOH, OH and beta H. Okay, now if you see very clearly here that each of in this molecule there are total 3 chiral centers. Okay, now each of the chiral center can give you 2 type of isomers, that is either it can give you R center or it can give you S center, right? So 2 type of center is possible. So if you do that, now each centers give you 2 type of isomers. So here this center also give you beta 2 isomers, and this center will also give you beta 2 isomers. So total number of isomers you will get, which is equal to total number is, here the total number of isomers you get technically, which is equal to 6. But here we are forgetting one thing. If I keep this one fixed, but if I exchange this thing, then for that also I will get another isomer. But again, if I keep this one fixed and if I change this thing, then also I will get another isomer. That means beta from here RS, from here beta RS, and beta from here beta RS. Now beta, one thing is possible. This will be S, this will be S. This is the case SS. This can be beta R, this can be beta R, or it's also possible it can be RR also. It can be beta RS also. It can be beta RS also. So total will be 6 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 8. लेकिन ना एग्जाम के टाइम में ना हम इतना टेंशन लेके नहीं करेंगे. What you will do? Just simply you just check what is the number of chiral centers. Here the total number of chiral centers is basically equal to 3. So the number of optical isomers will be equal to 2 cube, जितना कि मेरा है 8. Okay, so simple. You just check the number of isomers, make that 2 to the power n, then your job is done. Right? So this is how you determine how many number of isomers are there in the organic compound containing chiral carbon. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम तब आता है जब तुम लोग को एक कॉम्बिनेशन वाला प्रॉब्लम देते हैं ऐसे. Suppose 4 compounds are given here, right? Now in this 4 compound, your job is to find the relation between each of them. Okay, लेकिन यहाँ से हम सिर्फ लेते हैं यहाँ पे, let's say we will consider our compound A as a mother compound, और हम निकालेंगे what is the relation between A and B, what is the relation between A and C, and what is the relation between A and D. Now many of you have a little bit of knowledge of computer programming, right? क्यों? What we do, there is in computer programming हम क्या करते हैं, if then else, माने जब कोई कंडीशन लगाते हैं उस कंडीशन का 2 आउटकम होता है, राइट? नाउ इन दैट 2 आउटकम वी देन पुट अगेन अनदर कंडीशन, अगेन 2 आउटकम, राइट? सो कंडीशन आउटकम वैसे ही हम देखेंगे यहाँ पे. देखो ट्रीटमेंट बहुत ही सेम है, बट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू हियर, यू हैव टू प्ले विथ हियर वेरी कॉशियसली. ध्यान से देखो, अंत तक देखना, राइट? first what you have to do, first when I take a molecule, let's say I am taking the molecule A as my mother reference, what is the first job? Your first job is to find out the mirror image. तो क्या करेंगे, इस A का हम mirror image लेंगे, A का हम क्या लेंगे, mirror image. ओके, अगर हम mirror image लेते हैं यहाँ पे, so what will be the structure बेटा, ध्यान से देखो, the structure will be OH, OH, H, H, COOH and बेटा CH2OH, राइट. नाउ अब हम देखेंगे ये मिरर इमेज कोई स्ट्रक्चर के साथ इट इज मैचिंग और नॉट, एंड डेफिनेटली व्हाट वी कैन सी, दिस इज मैचिंग विद स्ट्रक्चर नंबर योर C. इट इज मैचिंग विद स्ट्रक्चर नंबर C, राइट. सो इट इज स्ट्रक्चर नंबर C. एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली अगर ये मैच हो रहा है, इफ इट इज अ मिरर इमेज, हम नेक्स्ट पॉइंट देखेंगे, देख बेटा कि अगर नेक्स्ट पॉइंट हम देखेंगे यहाँ पे, इफ इट इज अ मिरर इमेज देन इट इज non superimposable or superimposable or not. That means it is a non superimposable, it is a non superimposable, it is a non superimposable mirror image. And हमें पता है if a molecule is a non superimposable mirror image, and that is called your enantiomer, that is called enantiomer. Okay, that is called enantiomer. बहुत ही simple. That means your relation between A and C is basically a enantiomer. पहला part done. Now दूसरा part हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे, very simple. हम अब देखेंगे non mirror image. So definitely मेरा compound B और compound D, obviously it is your non mirror image, correct? Non mirror image हो गया. So non mirror image. Now if it is a non mirror image, if it is a non-mirror image, okay, what we will do, we will just rotate the compound. We will first rotate the compound to 180 degree. Okay, मतलब ये जो मेरा compound है, we will just rotate this compound. ऐसे है, we will just rotate the compound by 180 degree. Rotate by 180 degree. Okay, let's rotate it. Now rotate करने के बाद what we will get, now if we rotate B, if we rotate B, what we will get, ध्यान से देखो, if we rotate B, we will get here CH2OH, COOH, okay, CH2OH, COOH, यहाँ पे होगा मेरा H, यहाँ पे होगा मेरा OH, and beta here will be the OH and here will be the H, okay, and if I rotate the compound number D, तो क्या मिलेगा हमें, here I will be get COOH, here I will getting CH2OH, okay, यहाँ पे होगा H, H और यहाँ पे होगा OH, OH. Okay, now this is the interesting thing here. Okay, now see, after rotating 180 degree, what we will do, we will try to superimpose. Now after rotating we will not check for the mirror image, right, क्योंकि rotation करने के बाद it will be mirror image, so we will not check the mirror image, we will check it is superimposable or not. और हमने देखा यहाँ पे B is basically non superimposable, B becomes non superimposable, whereas this compound, that is compound number D, becomes superimposable, okay, becomes superimposable. Now condition के हिसाब से, if you have a non-mirror image and non-superimposable, then the relation between A and B is basically a diastereomer. It's a diastereomer. Okay, it's a diastereomer. And if after rotating by 180 degree they are superimposable, देखो बेटा A and C, D are superimposable to each other, so they are called identical or homomer. They are called identical or homomer. Okay, or identical or homomer. Clear? So इसको हम next slide में एक बार summarize कर देते हैं. Okay, so what you will do, you will take the compound, you will first take the compound, okay, and what you will do, you will try to make a mirror image. If you take a mirror image, okay, now if this mirror image is superimposable, sorry, if mirror image is your non superimposable, non-superimposable, then beta that thing is called, the relation between is called the enantiomer. Enantiomer. Okay. Now next point. Now if they are compound, you will take the, if they are non-mirror image. If they are non-mirror image, if they are non-mirror image, so what we will do, we will rotate that compound by 180 degree. We will rotate them, by 180 degree. Okay, now if we rotate them 180 degree, तो क्या होगा? We will not check for the mirrors, we will check for the superimposable, non-superimposable. So if they are superimposable, they are called identical. They are called identical or homomer. They are called identical or homomer. And if they are non-superimposable, they are called diastereomer. Okay, so this was all your optical isomerism, how to detect the enantiomer, diastereomer from my side. So if you have any confusion, feel free to write on the comment section, and obviously like the video and share with your friends, those who are preparing for the NEET also. Okay, and from my side, from the PrepMate team, all of you take care. See you next time.